What's up, YouTube? Psychotic Cyborg back with another video today. And I'm sorry I haven't been making videos a lot lately. And I just haven't had the time. And so some things, little heads up, some stuff I have different. I'm gonna be posting a review of the nuclear revolver not too far from now, in a little while after I'm done with this video, but right now I'm putting a review of the Electro Blast Rifle. And show you how good it is, but I got the heavy crystal armor. And I'm gonna get the light ruby armor in a little while, but I got the berserk mask and I upgraded it to second, so it tremendously upgrades the armor supply. And I'm gonna upgrade this next because I want this. And so yeah, and I'm going to be showing you how powerful the sniper is, how good it is, practically everything for it, hopefully. And hope you guys in video. I think I just said hope you guys in video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, so without further ado, I will be playing online. So I'm gonna go to co-op survival for this real quick. Create. Just in case if anyone joins. Okay. Hold on. Alright guys, sorry about the background if you heard anything. Alright, so hey! Making a video.
Of what?
YouTube. YouTube, it's just something.
Making a dumb video.
It's not dumb. You're dumb. Love you too. Sorry, that was my dad. And one shot kill for everything except for I'll pause it and I'll be back with you when I find one of the people that I'm talking about. I wanted you guys to show you guys this real quick. Hold on. Hold on, when I get full armor supply, I'll show you guys. But I'm really good with the... So like one of these things, it takes 2 shots. But it does take a little bit to be able to shoot again. Okay, so... Hold on, let me come out here so nothing's shooting at me. Okay, say you're in a fight with someone with full iron armor, like armor rate, like I have up there. Watch. Look. Did you see how far that went down? Now hold on, let me try to get another. Oh shit. So like he takes 2 shots. He takes 2 shots. If you're facing, usually people with the kind of rating of armor that I have right now, it was about 3 shots to kill. That's not a lot. You fucking dick. Oh, get owned. Did you see that? If you didn't see it, rewind and go back to it. That shit was boss. I'm gonna watch this when I'm gonna watch this video back. I see it. Alright, so yeah, so look, with the armor rating that I have right now. Boom, right there. Right there. Killed myself. Alright, hold on. Damn it! I'm pausing, I'll be back on it. Okay, never mind. I don't need to. Oh, wait, not that. But when I do this review, it'll be with this first upgrade, and then I'll upgrade it, and then it'll be that, like, you know what I mean? No. This takes it down that much, that much, that much, that much. Well, I did kill myself, but it went up into the barbed wire. So, boom, boom, boom. When you have armor, it doesn't do a lot of damage. Another boom. What the? Oh yeah, so how much armor? Oh, did you see the different shades of like health? That's sweet. That's why you sometimes you see it going like it flash, but it doesn't go down. Hold on. Okay, so that dude, you want to friend them, level 23. At least right now. Okay. Alright, so yeah. And I'll be doing some multiplayer on this. So just sort 2. Kobe. Oh, damn it. So what? Push. Oh, damn it. What's the good thing about the sniper? It's not single shot. I mean, yeah. It's single shot, but it's not, it's area burst, which is really good. So you can have, not only shoot one person, but multiple people in a bunch. So I'm gonna do this real quick. So when I upgrade this thing's gonna be a fucking beast. I was gonna say earlier, I'm pretty good with the sniper. Oh. Alright, so. No! Go. Oh. So yeah, when I get this thing upgraded, this thing's gonna be a fucking hoss. Alright. So mostly the reason why I didn't win in that round is because I was screwing around for a video. Sorry about that, but I will be back when I'm in a multiplayer round match. Alright guys, I'm going to be showing you Nuclear City, me in gameplay with it, on Team Deathmatch, multiplayer match, whatever it's called, in this. And I'm going to be showing you a little passageway, and that not a lot of people know about, but it's only one way. Oh, okay. Oh, well, I'm going to show you the passageway. Anyway. Okay. Right behind the yellow house. It's kind of hard to see. It's right here. trying to give you a good view of it. I wonder if I can jump over it. Nope. Okay, so I'm one of the people that gets distracted a lot. ADD, whatever. Okay, so... Okay. Sorry if you couldn't hear me before, but this is a little passageway, one-way passage. So look at my first health on the very end. See how it's lighter? It's lighter than the rest. Now watch. Because it's different shades. See, look, now it's really dark right now, except for some at the end. Boop. Boop. See that? 3 shots was my armor rating. If you had gold armor, it'd be at least 4 shots. So this gun is really good. I highly recommend it. Not that much. It was only like $150 or $60, whatever. And so I'll be back when I get in that tunnel. Yeah, like I said before, so I'm going into the tunnel right now. Alright. It is a little bit of walking. Okay, see, it's open right now. You can shoot out. You can be camping here. Whatever your heart desires. You can throw grenades out. Okay, hold on. No. Let me go back out. Let me go back in. Dang it, I have to go out. So look, the door shuts. Cannot get back in. Be back when... Also, what I do not like about this map is when you're either exposed behind somewhere or even inside, it still takes away your health, your armor. That little nuclear bomb thing. It doesn't make any sense. Alright, so I'll be back when I will get back in. Alright, so okay, good, I didn't go too far. Okay. Yep, you can throw grenades out, shoot out explosives. This gun does not work like the knife thrower or the disc thing because it's basically the same. Bullets, yes. Anybody come by, you could probably kill them too. So, yeah, but once you come out, you have to go out once you get far enough to go out, at least. The door shuts behind you, one-way passage, leaves you an event, it's better for you if you spawn over there or anywhere on that side. Like over here, you know what I mean. And enemies are up here because when they're spawning back here, so you get to be in there, they don't see you. They probably see your gun. They can't shoot you. Boom. Extra ticket to life. Don't know what the fuck that was. Okay. So, sorry I wasn't in a multiplayer match because this video has to be ended right now, but because I need to activate my account, but I need a computer to do that, I think. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like and subscribe if you haven't. And so I will be doing the review on this pistol later when I get enough money to upgrade it, because that'll be in the video of me upgrading it and doing some gameplay. Gameplay of this upgraded and not upgraded, whatever, you know what I mean, hopefully. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video again. Smack that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace out.